Hey all, it's Matt from Style Factory here, the go-to site for e-commerce reviews and tips. In this short video, I'm going to show you where to find a free trial of BigCommerce. Stay tuned to get 15 days of entirely free access to the platform. Let's get straight to it. BigCommerce is a popular solution for creating an online store with, and is used by lots of really well-known brands. These include BMW, Crest, General Electric, Gillette, and Harvard Business Publishing. However, it's strangely difficult to find a free trial for the platform. This is because when you go to the BigCommerce website, you're only presented with the options to get a quote or request a demo. The good news, however, is that it's perfectly possible to try the platform out yourself via a 15-day trial that gives you access to all the platform's main features. To get your hands on this, simply go to the description for this video, where you'll find a special affiliate link that will take you directly to a BigCommerce trial sign-up page. Just enter your details and you're good to go. And that's it. You now have a fully functional BigCommerce trial. If you'd like to receive more e-commerce tips, trials, and offers, make sure you subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our mailing list. You'll find a link to our sign-up form in the video description. And finally, if you have any questions at all, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.